Strengthening for the pancreas. The pancreas is a crucial organ in the body's digestive and endocrine systems. Fulfills several key functions and is composed of different parts, each with a specific function. If you suffer from diabetes or any other condition involving the pancreas, I recommend listening to this strengthening regularly to get the maximum possible energy strength. It's important to note that this strengthening does not replace any other treatment. It's a complementary alternative. We're going to separate the liver, small intestine, gallbladder, circulatory system, and stomach in all their possible combinations. We wipe off all weaknesses to zero hands infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to integrate the liver with the pancreas and the pancreas with the liver. We strengthen the circulatory system and the biliary system for optimal communication between both organs. They're also powerful in regulating blood glucose levels, storing and releasing glucose, and robust to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to integrate the small intestine into the pancreas in both directions, and we enhance both organs to release digestive enzymes produced by the pancreas. These enzymes are efficient in breaking down food, digesting carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to integrate gallbladder to the pancreas in both directions. We enhance both organs to aid in the digestion of fats, store and release bile. We strengthen the pancreatic enzymes in the small intestine to break down these fats 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to integrate the pancreas into the circulatory system back and forth. And we strengthen this bond for the release of insulin and glucagon into the blood. These hormones are strong for regulating blood glucose levels. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We integrate pancreas with stomach and stomach with pancreas. We strengthen the stomach to send signals to the pancreas to start producing digestive enzymes for the optimal preparation of digestion. Strong pancreas also for the production of these enzymes at 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We make all integrations top down, bottom up, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back forward, and forward back. At 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time with infinite time. We will strengthen the exocrine cells of the pancreas to produce digestive enzymes. We enhance the optimal production of amylase, lipase, and trypsin, ready to be released into the intestine from the liver. Efficient at breaking down food into smaller nutrients. The body is primed for absorption and utilization of these nutrients. We enhance the cell groups known as islets of Langerhans. Efficient for the production of hormones including insulin and glucagon at 100% with limitless potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We enhance the head of the pancreas, as well as the duodenum and the first part of the liver's intestine. The main pancreatic duct is ready to merge with the common bile duct before entering the duodenum. We enhance the body of the pancreas, integrate the islets of Langerhans in both directions, and strengthen them to produce insulin and glucagon hormones. 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the tail of the pancreas so that the exocrine tissue secretes digestive enzymes strong enough to be optimally released in the small intestine. We are going to erase the cumulative effect of alcoholism, the cumulative effect of inflammation of the pancreas. We tense it and loosen it to the rhythm of the heart to generate the maximum possible energetic force. We eliminate the negative energy produced by the damage of the pancreatic tissue with all its accumulated effect. We eliminate in the pancreas other negative energies, energy waste, energy larvae, emotions, entities of any dimension, level, or form, and send all this to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We remove the misinformation, misperception, and misinterpretation that you have about your pancreas, about the pancreas in general and how it works. We erase all limiting beliefs, fears, and traumas recorded at the level of the pancreas. We erase all this from above, below, right, left, inside, outside, back, and front of the pancreas and the entire digestive system. And we send this information to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and dark energy, black and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We erase the cumulative effect of smoking that harm the pancreas and detoxify it 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase the cumulative effect of poorly controlled diabetes. We erase the cumulative effect of excess sugar in the blood. We erase the cumulative effect of damage to insulin-producing cells in the islets of Langerhans. We erase the cumulative effect of being overweight that increases the risk of diseases in the pancreas. We erase genetic diseases that can affect the pancreas and its exocrine functions. We erase all ancestral influence that causes digestive problems. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase the mind from the pancreas. We erase misinformation, perception, and interpretation about diseases of the pancreas. We erase the resistance of the mind to leave the organ and the resistance of the organ to let go of the mind. And we send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and dark energy, black and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. We're going to erase the cumulative effect of infections that left damage to the pancreas. We erase memories of impact traumas in the abdominal region that damage this organ. We eliminate the excessive accumulation of pancreatic enzymes. We unblock and strengthen gallstones blocking the bile duct. We break them down to their smallest possible size and make them strong to be expelled by the excretory organs at 100% capacity with infinite potential, 100% of the time, indefinitely. We are going to erase the cumulative effect of medications such as antibiotics, immunosuppressants, and diuretics that have damaged the pancreas, along with all the accumulated effects they have left behind. We strengthen pancreatic tissue and connect it back and forth to the central nervous system, strong to enhance regeneration and reduce degeneration. We are going to remove from the pancreas remnants, traces, imprints, leftovers, and impressions of medications, toxins, metals, viruses, bacteria, fungus, parasites, parasite waste, diseased cells, degenerated cells, dead cells. And we send all of this to the body's black holes at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We remove resistances, fears, and disgust toward people and situations. We erase all memories of pain for having been dishonored, unrecognized, not taken into account. We erase karma for dishonoring others, for rejecting, evading, deceiving, and for denying necessary help. We erase self-judgments, self-criticisms, regret, and self-reproach. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all the debilitating energy of conflicts within the family over inheritances, over money distribution. We erase all the energy of fear, anger, and revulsion towards injustices and abuses committed under these experiences in this life and others. We erase negative emotions, bitterness, discouragement, hopelessness, fatigue, vulnerability, helplessness, and devaluation. With its full cumulative effect at negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to enhance regeneration in every quantum particle, atom, molecule, and cell of the pancreas. And we decrease degeneration in these components. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all these geometries of the pancreas, digestive system, and you globally. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase all weaknesses, anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks the pancreas from regenerating. At negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Remember, for the best results, it is advisable to listen to this reinforcement repeatedly.